The room is TARDIS-like.
Yes.
Intentionally so. Papa's disappeared again.
No, I haven't. I'm here. I'm always here. My presence.
Yes. I've been. I told that I need to put tape on the floor so you know where to stand, like they do on TV shows.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Merry Vlogmas!
No.
No.
You're apparently only allowed to hear that from 2 voices. So where are you going?
I don't know. I was falling over.
Been on the gin.
No.
Not yet. She's still got to get it.
I've only just got in.
There you go. Up the top.
I've been visiting.
Look, it's gin.
Oh, there's a surprise.
Shocking.
Shocking. I think next year we'll go back to chocolate. Love this as I do.
I mean, you can't taste it, so.
I get slight differences.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, juniper cask gin. Her new.
Oh, there we go. Yes. So, enjoy.
I think I'll be drinking all January as well at this
Yes,
rate.
because you are about 8 behind now, aren't you? Oh, look, it's the last box. Apparently, I've had the last pineapple as well.
Oh.
So I've got the last jewellery box.
Oh. Exciting.
Ooh, it rattles. Oh, gosh. I've got a puzzle visitor. Okay, so... Oh, they're beautiful.
Are they
birds?
earrings?
I think they might be earrings. Wait, sorry.
Wow.
They are gorgeous.
Wow. I'll go with your lovely green brooch.
Oh, they are earrings. And I haven't got... Oh, I have got earrings in today. I've got green malachite hoops in. I wonder if these are going to be heavy. Oh, they're not heavy. Oh, they're fabulous.
Are they?
Wow.
You know me so well.
Gosh, they're amazing.
Hang on, get there without a mirror. I can do this.
Yes, without them.
My nails are too long. I need to go and get those done. I'm going to do that next week after Christmas.
Hey, look at you. Ta-da! It goes with your dress.
Goes with
They're rather gorgeous.
my jumper.
Your jumper?
I have got proper clothes on. I went out today to run some errands as well. So yes, I have got proper clothes on. I was cold when I came down here, so I put
Very lovely. She had tartan boots on.
I did, and they broke.
Did you manage to mend them?
No.
No, I think I'm going to take them to a cobbler. I just managed to. I was picking up something heavy, and I pinged off a self-covered button cover off of the boots. Thankfully I noticed and it was on the floor and Mum went and rescued it for me whilst I was carrying the heavy thing.
There's a good cobbler in Shanklin.
There is,
yeah.
And I've got another pair of boots that need a new zip on it. I've forgotten my camera. I will be right back. What do you think? Can you tell any difference, Dad? The eyelashes?
Between the two?
Look at the edges.
Oh, the colour. Oh, they're purple.
Yeah.
I've got purple eyelashes for a bit of Christmas festivities.
Right.
Very subtle.
Yes, apparently it's meant to
help
your eyes look more green, and my eyes technically are green.
Right,
hang on.
20.
Okay. We are recording. I haven't done any kitten updates today yet either.
Right.
Just
Right.
telling you like
It's
a
a
lemon.
hologram, right?
Oh.
The hologram program calculates the ideal route for the Christmas sleigh every year. This route changes, although the starting point is naturally always the same. You need to be careful. Input the 3D vector program. The route for this year will be suggested automatically once the program has started. Make note of the arrows that you encounter on your journey. Right, we've got to cut that out.
Green scissors.
And then that folds into a cube that we use.
Oh, Dad, it's right.
Oh.
Okay, so am I cutting along the dotted line or am I cutting out the actual drawing because they're different?
Hang on.
I think that's a fold line, isn't it?
That's what I mean. Do I?
Yeah, cut the 3D along the dotted lines. It says, has it occurred to you that it is the perfect size and shape to fit into a room?
Oh. 999.
999.
Oh, okay. I like that one.
Yes.
Quite ingenious, really.
It is.
Yeah.
It's very ingenious.
Things to do.
Yes. Okay, well, thank you for that.
Pleasure.
So, I haven't filmed anything yet today. This is the beginning of Vlogmas at like 6 o'clock in the evening. because Mum and I have been in town. I did have some errands and bits and pieces to go and buy, but Mum ended up having to cancel an appointment so she could come and collect me, which meant that I had no alone time. So we did our best, didn't we?
We did. We did.
Sneakily shop in the same place.
We did.
And we've done that.
Yeah.
And then came back this afternoon, and I have just been pottering around down here and doing a little bit of sewing. So I'm going to carry on and do that because I have a shirt to finish. And you guys are going to go and have dinner, aren't you?
And I've been visiting. Are you
Supper.
not? Are you not having supper?
No,
No.
I haven't.
Oh,
But Dad and I have discussed this. So it's all
Yeah.
good.
I'm aware this time.
okay.
But thank you for calendars,
Okay.
and I'll see you back here tomorrow for more of the same.
Okay.
Awesome.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Gianna has never once wanted to be up there. And I have been using it as a bedside table. I knew that they were up cats. I knew that they were. Chi is not an up cat. Chi is a bush dweller. I knew it. It is much later on, but I have a finished shirt and I love it. I did try and put on, oh hello, nothing exciting. I did try and put on the large green buttons that I've made, but my sewing machine will only do buttonholes that are about 5mm smaller than this one. I can do manual buttonholes on this thing that would fit this, but I didn't want to try it. So I still have my 4 large green buttons from this fabric, but I will find another use for them. But this shirt is finished and I really love how it's turned out. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this fabric so much. It is so beautiful. So very, very happy with that. But it is 25 minutes past 9. So it's been a really quick Vlogmas today. I know I said yesterday's was short and sweet. Today's is even shorter, but hopefully still as sweet. And I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that we have filmed. And I will see you tomorrow for more of the same, and fingers crossed another finished item, because it would be really nice to get this pile of things done before Christmas so that I can work on the new projects that I wanted to complete in December after Christmas. We shall see how that goes. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!